Hello. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Atif and I'm here to assist you regarding the manufacture module. Those persons who are working in manufacturing companies and want to maintain their stock after production and want to manage each product stock, and so it is necessary we have to follow the in the application what is going on and how we can manage our selling with manufacture module. So this is very important. We have to learn these things. What is manufacturing actually have two main steps. The number one is recipe and the number two is production. Okay. So the recipe means something like a computer is a recipe and 10 computers is a production. So recipe consists of some ingredients, like if we are making production of 10 computers, then it's mean we need 10 SSD drives, 10 RAMs, 10 screens, or 10 laptop, 10 keyboards, 10 mouses. So these are all ingredients of a computer. So we make a recipe called a computer. So now I will show you how we can manage it. So it is a general introduction how we can manage manufacture module. You can stop the video and check it what is written inside on the document. So wastage calculation also very important. The lot, some clients are working with a lot number because they produce production with lot number, with their lot number. And some products have in a pharmaceutical companies, they also need expiry of a product. So different businesses have a production, but they have different standards. Some consider lot, some consider expiration date, some consider other things, some consider wastage percentage, and some only consider the cost calculation. So how you can enable expiry date? You have to go to the business settings and products and click on this expiry. So you can also read it. Let me zoom it. Yes. So these two settings are also very important, the FIFO and the LIFO. You can stop the video and read all the document what is written inside. For example, if you have a 20 pieces of a product A on a 20th March 2018, expiry 10th April 2018, purchase 20 pieces of same product A on 23rd March, expiry 8. Today I sold 22. So in the meanwhile, what is going on? The first 20 deduct from the, if we have a FIFO, it's mean in this the old stock should be sold first. You just have to consider this. If we do the settings LIFO, last in first out, then in this most recent purchase stock should be sold first, means the most recent purchase stock would be used in a production. Okay. So this is all you have to do the settings according to your business in the business settings. Like this, you have to go to the business settings and you have to do the settings from here, the FIFO and LIFO. Okay. What is your settings, you can select it. So the other settings you can also do that. Okay. So this is product expiry. So I am creating a production of a computer, so there is no any expiry of any product, so I am not using it. If you need, you can use it in your business. So the lot number I enable the lot number, so it is necessary in our business in computer production. So what we have to do, we would add stepwise, we add a products, then we purchase products in two different lots, then we create production. Okay, so we have to add some products. Let me add a product. For example, SSD drive unit piece. We can also select its brand, categories. I want to manage the stock. Yes, the SSD price is 100 and the sale price is 150. This is a product. If you want to sell this product individually and also want to create a production, then you have to open this product. Okay, then it come on the billing screen. If you click here, not for selling, it's mean this item only used for production, not for individually selling. It is not for individually selling. For example, if I save it, it comes here. Look at it, this is the product is present. So currently the stock is not present. So if I don't want to sell this product, I want to use this product in production. So what to do? You edit this product. It is not for selling. You just have to create, not for individually selling. Okay, you update it. So let me add one more product quickly. Some more products like motherboard HP, for example, and not for selling. Cost is 500. We don't need to sell it, and we just save it. You have to select the piece and save and add another product. So two products added, motherboard, HP, SSD drive. The one more product, let me add RAM 4 GB RAM, for example, piece 100 150. Add one more product. It is just for an example. I am just telling you an example. The RAM is used for selling purpose. Okay, so I made it open, and one more product. Let me add hard SSD. We put already. Motherboard. Let's pose a laptop body, for example. Okay, it is not for selling. The price is 200 and the selling price, for example, 250, and we save it. So look at this. There is a almost four products are present. 3 products not for selling. 1 product is for selling because we are selling this product individually also. Okay, so there is no any stock though, and the product name is laptop, motherboard, RAM, and SSD drive. So we create a purchase of each product individually. For example, we are creating a raw materials. So we are purchasing raw materials. Let me add a purchase. we put all four products here. We add our supplier name is supplier A, Mr. Test, supplier name, phone number, and save. The reference number 456. Today I am purchasing and I have received the stock, and you have to do nothing. Then what you have to do now, you have to put the item quantity you are purchasing. For example, the laptop body you are purchasing in 50 quantity, and the motherboard you are purchasing in 40 quantity, and SSD drive you are purchasing in 80 quantity, and the RAM you are purchasing in 60 quantity. And all lot number is, its lot number is 999, and its lot number is also 999. It's also lot number 999, it's also 999 lot number. So here is the shipping charges for this. For example, this is the shipping charges. The total bill is for 44,100. So I am willing to pay this amount to our supplier. So I will create here like 44100. I am giving this payment through card or through check, and this is my check number, and payment sent by HBL bank, for example, and we save it. Okay, let me add one more purchase. The one more purchase is RAM and motherboard. I am just creating a two more items in another lot number. The lot is this. So in this lot I have 1% discount, and I have also 1% discount. So this is quantity, I am purchasing 20 quantity, and this is 50 quantity. So total bill is this, and the shipping charges is this, and the total amount is 26830. The supplier is not added, the same supplier. Okay, the reference is this, stock received. What we do in a production, I will create a product, I will create a recipe. Look, you will click on manufacture module, click on recipe. I will add a recipe, choose product. One more product I have to add, the add product. The product name is computer, ready computer, for example, ready computer, unit is piece. I'm not considering a purchase price, I'm just considering a sale price. I'm selling the item in 2500, for example. Okay, so there is no any stock of this item. So what we have to do, we have to go to the manufacture module, we create a recipe, we add a recipe. The recipe name is ready computer. And what is the ingredients used in a ready computer product? The ingredient is RAM, 4 GB RAM, and the other product is motherboard, and the other product is SSD drive, and the one more product is body, I think, laptop body. Okay, I am creating a lot of 20 laptops. Okay, so we need 20 RAMs, we need 20 motherboards. Sorry, this is the wastage percentage here. We use 20 quantity, 20 this, nothing is wasting. If anything waste, you can type it here like 1%, 2%. So this production is 18,000. This is the ingredient cost total. Okay, you can calculate in your calculator. So there is no any wastage. For example, if you do 1%, there is 1% wastage. You can do it 1% total output quantity. So this is not our need. 0 total output quantity. The 20 piece means the output is 20. Production cost, the person, our workers is charging us, for example, 500 for 20 piece production. So we add this. So production cost in percentage, I'm not percentage, you can add, for example, at 10%. This is the production cost. Okay, the 10%, for example, you can calculate in a percentage. We can also do it in a custom job if you need it. Okay, for example, this is the total production and we save it. So we have ready our first recipe. So ready computer quantity 20, and we go to the production. Now we create a production. We add a production. It will show you a previous ready computer item. Okay, for example, this. So it is saying you that 20 piece, for creating a 20 piece, I just click here, it comes automatically here. I just have to put our lot number which I use for our selling, for selling purpose. This is 777 for selling purpose, and production cost is 10, and we only need this finalize. Look at this. Once finalized, all ingredient stock will be detected and production stock item will be increased, and editing of a production will not be allowed. Okay, so if I submit this and we go back here, for example, a ready computer, you know, we create how much we create this. It is saying only 20 pieces available. So we we created a lot of 20 pieces. It is just showing you a 20 pieces only available. Okay, so I am selling this in 2,500 rupees one piece. Okay, so I can sell it easily, and it will reduce all the stock. Okay, for example, this is our stock report. Look at this, a ready computer. I have sold one piece, and even this stock is minus. Okay, so if I sold one more computer, look at these values, these would also detect. Okay, for example, I sell one more item, and oh sorry, the SSD drive individually sale. I refresh it. So a ready computer, I sell it and I go back and refresh it. Look at these values 30, 60, 70, 60. So look at this 30, 60, 70. One item we sold, we sold this. The item stock already detected, already used for production, so it is not going to less. I individually sell this item, so it is going less. Okay, look at this current stock value, potential profit, and stock, current stock manufacturing. This is the manufacturing, this is stock manufactured. So when you create a when you create a production, the stock will automatically detect and create a uh, production stock. Okay, if you have any more question, you can ask, feel free to ask me about anything, any settings regarding the production. Thank you, have a good day.